What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another video. I'm your host Tank, and today I have for you another LEGO 3-in-1 creator set. This is the twin rotor helicopter. Of course, you get your different options. Again, this has actually 3 different magazines. It's not one big booklet like the burger food truck was, the Monster Burger food truck. There's 3 separate manuals. Of course, the first main one is the helicopter. Then you have the jet aircraft. And lastly, there's the hovercraft manual. You get 1 minifigure in the set. He's got a nice 3/4 helmet on. A nice jumpsuit. You also have, for the helicopter build, you get your submersible, a little drone submersible to gather the gold at the bottom of the ocean. Pretty much that's where your components would be. You got your lights and you got your claws here, and your nice little propeller. And then take that off because that's all that's for, is just to pick up out of the water with the claw. And of course, the main thing here is the helicopter. Take a nice walk around it. Excuse the squeaking, my dog has his favorite squeaker toy. And to get your minifigure in, this pops off. And you have room for actually 2 pilot minifigures and fit a couple more minifigures back there if you wanted. And then there's your hook there at the bottom. Your lowering mechanism. Nope, I'm going the wrong way. There it is. Go. Which way? It's wrapped around itself. There we go. And then raise it back up. Got little like spotlights here on either side. Yeah, the one side here with its sliding door. Large cargo area. In the back you got the drop door, which you can slide the submersible in for some storage. The only thing I don't care about this too much is it barely hangs on, because I've had several times where the door, if you pull on this too hard, it's going to pop off. It's not held on very well, except for just these 2 plates, and then these pieces at the bottom is all it's held on by, really. Actually, mainly just held on by those 2. So it's not held on very well, so it will pop off pretty easily if you yank on it too hard. And then, of course, at the top here, you have your twin rotors. Got a couple axles here. And then you have all throughout the tail here, the top portion, you have your axles, and back of the tail is what you use to rotate the rotors. Keep them going pretty good, but they don't really spin freely, which kind of sucks. Can't get it good. You can't get it spinning and just have them keep going, which that sucks. Maybe if you get a motor or something mounted up to it, that'd be pretty neat if you get a motor mounted to the back of it. But this is the twin rotor helicopter. I'd say it really goes great with any set. It's a large helicopter. I really like these large builds. I think they're really fun. The next one I'd probably like to do is probably the this one, the hoverboat, if I were to get another one. But I like the helicopter. It's really neat. If you guys enjoy this video, please hit those like and subscribe buttons. Leave a comment down below which one you like better, the jet, the helicopter, or the hovercraft. And always, I will see you guys in the next video. Over and out.